Hello and welcome to more practice. This is challenge 12, and there are 4 problems in this challenge, and you should have solved all of them on your own. That's right, because this is an on your own problem. And now you should be watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let us move on to our first problem. 57 times 756. Bam. First thing I wanted to do was write my counting by the numbers for the 5s and the 7s because I always take the smaller number of the 2 factors. And let's move on. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and write the 756 up on top, create 2 area boxes, and then break that 57 into 50 plus 7. And now, first thing we're going to do is just get after this. Let's move with the 7 times the 756. I'm going to start with 7 times 6. And once again, if you don't know all your multiplication facts, bam, you got them right here. Watch how this works. 7 times 6 means I'm going to go 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gives me 42. I'll drop the 2 and carry the 4. So I drop that 2, carry that 4, and move along. 7 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 35. Plus 4, that's right, gives me 39. I'll drop that 9, carry that 3, and move along. 7 times 7 gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 49. But you cannot forget to add that 3. 49 plus 3, that's right, it will give you 52. Drop your 2 and your 5. That's right, because you are all done with this area box right here, my friends. Superb. So now I'm ready to roll down here to the 50. I'm going to start with the 0. 0 times any number, in this case 756, will give me 0 right there. So I'll plug that 0 in right there. And you can think of the 0 as holding the place value for the 1s column because we already took care of that with the 7 right there, my friends. Next, 5 times 756. I'll start with 5 times 6. And once again, if you don't know your multiplication facts, you got your counting by the numbers right here. Go 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gives you 30. Drop your 0, carry your 3. Drop that 0, carry that 3. Superb, and let's roll along. 5 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 25. Plus 3 gives me 28. I'll drop that 8 and carry that 2 right there. Superb, and now my last one, 5 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives me 35, plus this 2 is going to give me 37. I'll drop the 7, carry the 3, and I am all done with all my multiplication. All I have to do is add these bad boys up to get my final product, and let's do that right now. So I'll get 2 and nothing is going to give me 2. 9 and nothing will give me 9. 2 and 8 is going to give me 10. Drop that 0, carry that 1. Then 5 plus 7 will give me 12. Plus this 1 here will give me 13. So I will drop that 3, carry that 1. And now our last column here, 3 plus 1, well, that's going to give you 4. And there you have it, my friends, 43,092. Perfect. All right, so once again, your answer is 43,092. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friends. Pause that video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. And now let us move on to problem number 2. And here it is, my friends, 38 times 837. First thing I did was write my counting by the numbers for the 3s and the 8s, and that's because I always take the smaller of the 2 products and write that down because I don't want to write too much, right? Okay, so next you want to set up your area boxes, and so I put the 837 up on top. I made an area box for the 8 for the 1s column, right? And then I made a second area box for my 10s column for the 30. And now I'm ready to rock and roll, and here we go. 8 times 7, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives me 56. I'll drop the 6 and carry the 5. Drop that 6, carry that 5. Superb, and now I'm moving along. 8 times 3, 1, 2, and 3 gives me 24. Plus 5 will give me 29. I'll drop the 9 and carry the 2 and move along. And then I've got 8 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 gives me 64. Plus this 2 will give me 66. I'll drop the 6 and drop this other 6 as well because now I'm all done with this area box right here. I can move along down here to the 30. I'll start with the 0. 0 times any number, in this case 837, gives me 0 right here. So I'll drop that 0. And you can also think of this 0 as holding the place value for the ones column because we already took care of that with the 8, right? So now I move over here to the 3, and I'll start with the 7. 3 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives me 21. I'll drop the 1 and carry the 2. Drop that 1, carry that 2, and move along. Then 3 times 3. 1, 2, 3 gives me 9. Plus 2 will give me 11. I'll drop the 1, carry the 1, and move along. I've got 3 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 gives me 24. Plus this 1 here will give me 25. I'll drop the 5 and the 2. Yes, that is correct because I am all done with this area box. Now all I have to do is add these bad boys up to get my final product, and then I'm all done, my friends. Superb. So let's rock and roll. 6 plus 0 will give you 6. 9 and 1 is going to give you 10. Drop your 0, carry your 1. 6 and 2 will give you 8. So I'll drop that 8 right there. And then 6 and 5 gives you 11. Drop your 1, carry your 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Bam! There you have it, my friends. Your answer is 31,806. And I hope you love that. And as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause that video, fix your mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. And now let us move on to problem number 3. And here we go, my friends. 46 times 693. And the first thing I did was write my 4s and my 6s for counting by the numbers. And then I wrote 693 up on top. I've got 2 area boxes. And I broke 46 into 40 plus 6. And now I'm ready to rock and roll. I'm going to multiply 6 times 693. So I'll go 6 times 3. I'm going to come up here and go 3 places. 1, 2, 3. That's going to give me 18. I will drop my 8 and carry my 1 right over there and move along. 6 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 54. Plus this 1 here will give me 55. I'll drop my 5 and carry my 5 right there, my friends. Superb. And now I'll move along. 6 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives me 36. Plus this 5 here will give me 41. So I'll drop the 4 and the 1. There's the 1 and the 4 right there, my friends. And now I'm ready to rock and roll and move here to the 40 times 693. I'll start with a 0, and 0 times any number, in this case 693, will give me 0. So I'll drop that 0. Now you can also think of this 0 right here as a place value holder for the ones column because I've already done that with the 6 up here, right? Superb. I'm going to look up here and see that I forgot to circle that 5. I'll do that right now. And now I'm ready to move on to the 4 here. And 4 times 3, 1, 2, 3 gives me 12. I'll drop the 2 and carry the 1. Drop that 2, carry that 1, and move along. 4 times 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 36. Plus this 1 will give me 37. I'll drop the 7, carry the 3, and move along. And next I've got 4 times 6 right there. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives me 24. Plus this 3 here is going to give me 27. I'll drop the 7, drop the 2, and now I'm all done with all my multiplication. All I have to do is add these bad boys up, and then I am all done, my friends. All right, so let's go ahead and do that right now. 8 and nothing is going to give me 8 right there. 5 plus 2 is going to give me 7. 7 and 1 is going to give me 8. 4 plus 7 will give me 11. I'll drop my 1, carry my 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Drop that 3, drop that comma, and right there you have it, my friends. 31,878. That is your answer. And as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. And now let's move on to our fourth and final problem of this video. And here it is, my friends, 85 times 949. So first of all, I wrote my counting by the numbers, 4, 8s, and 5s. And then I put the 949 right up on top. I've got 2 area boxes. And then I broke the 85 into 80 plus 5 right here. Super. I'll start with the 5 with the ones column here and then multiply it times 949. I'll start with 5 times 9. So I'll come up here and go 9 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 45. I'll drop the 5 and carry the 4. Drop that 5, carry that 4, and move along. 5 times 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives me 20. Plus this 4 right here gives me 24. I'll drop the 4 and carry the 2 right on up there and move along. Then I got 5 times 9. Well, that's going to take me back to 45 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 45, right? Plus this 2 is going to give me 47. I'll drop the 7 and the 4. And now I'm ready to move on down here to the 80. I'll start with the 0. And 0 times any number will give me 0. In this case, 0 times 949 gives me 0 right down here. So I'll plug that in right there. And once again, you can always think of this as holding the place value for the ones column because I already took care of that with the 5. Correctamundo, my friends. All right, so let's move along. I've got 8 times 9. So I'm going to come over here and go 9 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Gives me 72. I'll drop the 2 and carry the 7. So I'll drop that 2, carry that 7 right there, and move along. 8 times 4 gives me 1, 2, 3, and 4. 32 plus this 7 here will give me 39. So I'll drop the 9 and carry the 3 and circle that 7 right there. And now I'm ready to move on to 8 times 9 right here. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 72. Plus this 3 here will give me 75. I'll drop my 5 and my 7. And now I'm ready to just add these bad boys up because I'm all done with my multiplication. So let's go ahead and do that right now. And I've got 5 plus 0 is going to give me 5. 4 plus 2 is going to give me 6. 7 plus 9 is going to give me 16. I'll drop the 6 and carry the 1. Then I got 5 here plus this 5. Well, that's going to give me 10. I'll drop that 0, carry that 1. And 7 plus 1 is going to give me 8. And there you have it, my friends. You have 80,665. Bam! You got to love that. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way here, my friends, no worries at all. Simply pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counted by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.